For this short video tutorial, I will show you how stocks work on Cash App. Now, if you're new to investing, don't worry, as Cash App makes it easy. So let's get started. First, open Cash App on your device. Go to the home screen and make sure you have money in your cash balance. Now you can tap Add Money to transfer funds from your bank account or cash out to send money back to your bank. Next, scroll down, then tap Stocks. Here, you will see your portfolio value, a performance chart, and any stocks you currently own. You can also browse market news, popular stocks, and different stock categories. To buy a stock, use the search bar to find a company, then tap on it to view its price, performance, and additional information. Once you've chosen the stock you would like to buy, all you have to do is tap Buy. Choose a preset amount, or you can also enter your own. Once you have reviewed it, confirm your purchase. Just make sure that you have enough money in your cash balance to cover the investment. With Cash App, you can also sell a stock that you own. You can do this by opening it from your portfolio, tapping Sell, entering the amount you would like to sell, and then tapping Confirm. Now, the money from the sale will be added back to your cash balance, where you can use it to buy other stocks or withdraw it to your bank account. And that's how Cash App stocks work. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.